Okay, so let's take a look at how you can sync Airtable with one of the Trello boards. So for that we will make use of Zapier. Also within app section we have to add Airtable and Trello. So I already added Airtable. There is also Trello board option once you connect the app. So you can type in Trello and add that app, connect it. Also there is Airtable, you can add that too. So like these two things added, you are ready to use Zapier for this. Now I will go to dashboard where you have this option to sync Airtable with Trello board, right? And we will be generating this app, which you can see here. You see new record from Airtable, create card. So we'll try this and we will take a look at the steps. Basically we will be connecting the Airtable account and then continue. Then we have to mention the base, which is here. Okay, automate is base and then table 1, then table 1, and then limit to view can go with grid view. Then there is include content, we will go with false, then continue. Let's test this trigger and then move on to Trello. Now as you can see I have another automate board in Trello which has one card. I will archive that. Now come back to Zapier where you see the ability to choose the record 1 or 2. Now let's create a card based on that. Also connect with Trello. Then board we have is automate. Then list we have is Zapier. Right? We don't need to add label and so. You can add green if you want, but let's leave the rest. And here we can take a look at what's important. Here we have to choose name as name and then description as content, right? These two things added, we are ready to continue to next step. Test this out and then you can finally hit publish, right? Once that is published you are good to go, and you have to check one of these entry into Trello card. Here you see card is created with one of the name and description. So this was synced in between Airtable and Trello board. So we managed this using Zapier's app.